Good evening everyone. It's day one of planting season of 2026. We are planting canola at the moment. As you've seen in the shorts we have posted, we are already done with our cover crops. This is the second field of canola we are busy with. We started this morning. So far we've done 41 hectares. We're going to try and see if we can reach close to 50 hectares for the day. We only started at 10 o'clock because we had to set up everything for canola before that. So far 41 hectares done of canola, so we're happy with that. Good afternoon everyone. So planting season is well underway at the moment. We are busy with the third day of planting canola. Quite busy at the moment. The planter is running, the sprayer is running. We're also precasting fertilizer, so to keep everything on the move. We're quite busy. I think we have more or less 10 days left of canola planting to do, and then we'll move to the wheat, and from there we'll move to the barley, and at the end we'll plant the oats. Good evening everyone. We are still busy with canola. We have been planting for a week now, and we have done over 250 hectares already. So very happy with the progress. We had a little bit of a few things we had to sort out with the planter in the beginning, but further on everything runs smoothly. So very happy with the progress at the moment. Look like we will be done with canola in a week from now. Good morning everyone. So we are spraying, doing some early morning spraying. We're just getting ahead of the planter today. We finished last night with the planting around 8 o'clock and started with the spraying this morning around 6 o'clock. Cleaning up the fields before the planter. We're going to try and do as many fields possible today so we are well ahead of the planter, because we have a lot of other spraying jobs to do also while we're planting. Pre-emerge herbicide we have to spray on the wheat fields and so on. We are now busy with the second last field of canola. This is quite a big field, so we will be done by tomorrow afternoon with this field. We just started out with this field. After we're done with the canola, we're going to start planting our wheat fields. Good evening everyone. So we are busy with our second field of wheat. We started last night with our first field and we finished that field this morning. Then we started with this one. This is quite a big field, so we've still been busy with him. With this field we still have 13 hectares left of this field. I'm gonna finish it tonight, and then we are gonna plant one more wheat field before we get some rain over the weekend. They are forecasting 2 days of rain, which we are very excited for. But yeah, we want to see if we can finish the next field also before the rain. Then we have our first 3 fields of wheat in.